Konnichiwa minasan. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of AI art with Midjourney. I'm Ant107, your host at Richie Rich Labs. So strap your buckle and let's dive deep into AI art. And you're probably asking, what the hell is Midjourney? Well, it's simple. Midjourney uses your words to describe what you want to create. As you can see on the screen right now, you just type in your words away, describe as good as you can do it, and then Midjourney will take care of making your description, your words, your text into actual beautiful art. Let's get started. First things first, head on over to Midjourney's website and sign up for an account. Remember, they offer both free and paid services, but the free version comes with 25 tokens, which tokens is enough for you to get started. So don't worry about that, and you'll understand how it all works by the end of those 25 tokens. Once you signed up, log into your Discord account and join the Midjourney server via the link in the website, their website, or the one in the description below of this AI human-generated video. Now it's time to join a chat room or a group where you'll be able to input text so you can create this stuff. And at first, don't panic. You'll see a lot of images scrolling up and down and stuff, but be patient and go into one of these newbie chat rooms where you can learn the ropes and get comfortable with the AI generation process alongside all the people that are using that one too. Remember, in these chats, everyone can see what you're asking Midjourney to generate for you. So no kinky stuff unless you pay for the stealth mode version, which I found out from a friend, it's a real thing. In case you want more privacy with Midjourney in your imagination. All right, time to create some AI. Follow these simple steps. Once you've joined the Midjourney server on Discord, go over to the chat room or room of newbies. I'm gonna go to newbies 90 over here, and people here are nice, and there's moderators and stuff, so don't worry. There's nothing that's gonna scare you off here, and if nobody's gonna attack you and whatnot. And if they do, there's moderators, so things get, chill. So here, you're gonna go into the messages section, and you're going to type in /image right there. You're gonna type that in and just tap it. You don't have to do the whole thing /image prompt 2 dots. Just tap it once you type in the initial image, and then go ahead and type whatever you want. For example, this is some examples of how people are doing these. This one, for example, says a young man of 22, short brown hair, European, who's an industrial. You get the idea, right? So stuff like that. The more details you give it, the better. Here I'm gonna type in a Nintendo Mario Cyberpunk, because I actually made a really cool one of these days. Cyberpunk, there we go. And if you want, as a little trick up their sleeve, you can do this little dash and then AR and do the aspect ratio that you want it. For example, YouTube thumbnails, 16:9, and that's gonna make it a 16:9 instead of a 4:3 for Instagram. And then there we go. You just wait for it to start, and I'll see you in the next little bit. But before I go, that's an issue you're gonna have. Lots of messages, One of the advantages for a higher tier subscription of $30 a month is that you get a lot more images that you can do, but you also get a private conversation with the bot. So none of those intrusive pop-ups and whatnot. These are just some of my personal ones that I did. Let's go and see if it's done with the other one though. As you can see, I'm back here, but I'm probably lost. I don't know where am I, or what is it even done. An easy way to use on Discord, just go to the little magnifying thingy on the top right hand corner, and then do from and look up your name. And there it is, me. Tap it, search it, and bada bing, bada boom. It'll show you the actual image that it's creating for you. And let's just wait here for a little bit. It's 62% done. I'll be back with you once it gets it. It takes about a minute and a half. This bad boy over here, this is the first initial things of simple wording as Mario Cyberpunk. And of course we can enhance it by doing variations of the whole package, or just specific ones, or get an upscale. For example, I really like number 4, so I'm gonna get an upscale of 4, and then that'll give you a high res version of that. You just have to scroll all the way down to, you know, where you're supposed to be, but you get the main idea of it. As I mentioned before, you can change the aspect ratio of your images. Just type in the --AR and then the aspect ratio that you want your art to be created in. A cool little trick here for advanced users is /settings, and in here you're able to look up all your settings, like which version of Midjourney you want to use, the base quality costs twice. You can see the style very high, medium, the remix mode, relax mode, and of course stealth mode. If you are using though the basic tier, I do recommend being a little careful with how much high quality you use, because it will eat up your time in your tier usage time allowance. But with the higher tiers, your imagination is the limit. If you end up needing any help with these or anything else with Midjourney AI art, make sure you subscribe and I'll help you out with a playlist, a bubble on top, and let us know in the comments or on Pinterest, Twitter, if you need any help. And while you're at it, please make sure you /subscribe to the channel.